Wooden showpiece making at home. There's something truly special about handcrafted wooden showpieces. Unlike mass-produced decorations, handmade wooden art carries a personal touch, a sense of warmth, and an artistic essence that makes any space feel unique. When you create a wooden showpiece at home, you're not just crafting a decoration, you're bringing an idea to life, shaping a piece of nature with your own hands and adding a story to your living space. Whether it's a small sculpture, a decorative plaque, a minimalist wooden frame, or an intricate figurine, the beauty of working with wood lies in its versatility. You can create something simple or something complex, something rustic or something polished, and it will always hold a charm that stands the test of time. The process of making a wooden showpiece begins long before the first cut is made. It starts with inspiration. Sometimes inspiration comes from nature itself. The organic patterns of tree rings, the rich textures of different wood grains, or even the knots and imperfections that give each piece of wood its own character. Other times, inspiration comes from a space around you. Maybe you want to add something elegant to your bookshelf, create a centerpiece for your coffee table, or design a wall hanging that complements your interior. No matter where the idea originates, the real magic happens when you take that idea and start shaping it into reality. Wood selection plays a crucial role in determining the final look and feel of a showpiece. Different types of wood bring different personalities to a piece. Softwoods like pine or cedar are easy to carve and work with, making them great for detailed sculptures or hand-carved designs. Hardwoods like oak, walnut, or maple provide durability and rich, natural color variations, ideal for showpieces that highlight the natural beauty of the wood itself. Reclaimed wood, with its aged textures and weathered look, adds a rustic charm, making each piece feel like it carries history within it. The choice of wood is not just about appearance. It also affects the crafting process. Some woods are smoother to sand, while others hold fine details better when carved. Once the wood is selected, the process of shaping begins. This is where the true joy of woodworking comes into play. The feeling of cutting through a solid piece of wood, shaping it gradually, watching it transform with every tool stroke, it's almost meditative. For a simple yet elegant showpiece, even something as minimal as sanding and polishing a naturally shaped piece of wood can create a stunning decorative element. For those who enjoy intricate designs, hand carving can bring out stunning details, while techniques like pyrography or wood burning allow for adding artistic patterns and textures. One of the most satisfying aspects of making a wooden showpiece at home is the ability to personalize it. Unlike store-bought decorations, your creation can be completely unique, reflecting your personality and style. You might choose to carve initials into it, incorporate meaningful symbols, or design a pattern that complements your home's aesthetic. Some artists choose to add natural elements like embedded stones, pressed flowers, or even resin details to enhance the beauty of the wood. Combining materials can lead to stunning results, like a live-edge wooden plaque with metallic inlays or a wooden sculpture with glass or ceramic accents. The possibilities are truly endless. Finishing is where the raw beauty of the wood fully comes to life. Sanding is a crucial step. It's not just about smoothing the surface, but about refining the texture and preparing the wood to absorb stains, oils, or varnishes evenly. Watching the grain patterns emerge more vividly as the surface becomes polished is one of the most rewarding moments in woodworking. Applying oil, wax, or varnish can take a piece from looking dull and lifeless to looking rich, deep, and vibrant. Some finishes darken the wood and bring out its natural warmth, while others give it a subtle sheen that enhances its elegance. For those who love a modern touch, combining wood with paint or color accents can create striking contrasts. A deep stained wood surface with gold or white highlights can look incredibly luxurious, while a combination of natural wood and soft pastel paint can create a charming, rustic appeal. The finish is where creativity meets craftsmanship. It's a final step that turns a simple wooden piece into a showpiece worthy of display. The placement of a wooden showpiece also plays a significant role in how it enhances a space. A well-placed sculpture or decorative panel can transform the ambience of a room. Wooden showpieces often bring a sense of warmth and natural balance, making them perfect for home decor. A small wooden figurine placed on a floating shelf can add character, while a larger piece, like a wooden relief carving, can become the focal point of a room. Wooden centerpieces on dining tables, coffee tables, or mantelpieces add an artistic touch without feeling overwhelming. Even minimalist wooden stands or display pieces for candles, books, or plants can elevate the aesthetic of a room effortlessly. Beyond aesthetics, crafting a wooden showpiece at home is an incredibly fulfilling experience. Unlike fast-paced, factory-made production, woodworking requires patience. It's a process where time slows down, where every stroke of the tool matters, and where every decision shapes the final result. For many, it's not just about the end product, but about the journey, the rhythm of carving, the satisfaction of smoothing rough edges, and the pride of seeing an idea take form. It's a reminder that beauty doesn't have to be rushed. Sometimes, the most valuable things come from slow, deliberate, and thoughtful craftsmanship. What makes wooden showpieces even more meaningful is the fact that they can carry personal stories. A handcrafted piece made from a tree that once stood in your backyard. A decorative plaque with a quote that holds sentimental value. A sculpture that reminds you of a special place or moment in time. These pieces become more than just decorations. They become treasures filled with memories and meaning. There's also a growing appreciation for handmade, sustainable art. In a world dominated by mass production, handcrafted wooden decor stands out for its authenticity and uniqueness. Many people now prefer decor items that are eco-friendly, made from responsibly sourced wood or upcycled materials. By creating wooden showpieces at home, you contribute to this sustainable movement, turning raw or discarded wood into something valuable rather than relying on synthetic, disposable decor. Even beginners in woodworking can find immense joy in creating simple yet stunning showpieces. With just a few basic tools and a piece of wood, anyone can start experimenting with shapes, designs, and finishes. And as skills improve, so does the ability to take on more complex projects. The beauty of woodworking is that there's always room to learn, grow, and refine techniques. Wooden showpiece making at home is more than just a way to decorate. It's a form of self-expression, a showcase of creativity, and a testament to craftsmanship. There's something truly special about taking a raw, natural material and shaping it into something that enhances your space, holds personal meaning, and reflects your artistic vision. Unlike mass-produced decorations, handmade wooden showpieces carry a sense of uniqueness, infused with the personality and dedication of their creator. Every stroke of a carving tool, every carefully placed cut, and every smooth finish tells a story. Whether you're crafting a delicate wooden figurine, a statement wall piece, or a detailed sculpture, you are not just making an object, you are bringing an idea to life. Wood has been used in art and decoration for centuries, and by working with it, you connect tradition with modern design, skill with imagination, and nature with home. The beauty of wooden showpieces lies in their versatility. Simple, minimalistic designs can bring warmth to a modern setting, while intricate, hand-carved pieces add an element of vintage charm. You can create rustic, nature-inspired decor or sleek, geometric designs. The possibilities are endless. Plus, working with wood allows you to experiment with different textures, stains, and finishes, giving each piece a unique character. But beyond the aesthetics, the process itself is deeply fulfilling. There's a joy in shaping a piece of wood with your own hands, watching it transform from a rough block into a polished, refined work of art. It teaches patience, precision, and the value of craftsmanship. Each project, no matter how small, is a reflection of effort and creativity, turning an ordinary piece of wood into something extraordinary. So if you've ever considered making wooden showpieces, know that you're stepping into a world of endless creativity and satisfaction. Whether it's a simple tabletop decoration or an intricate masterpiece, every piece you create adds beauty, character, and a personal touch to your space. Wooden showpiece making isn't just a hobby. It's an art form that allows you to craft something timeless, something meaningful, and something that truly speaks of your passion for creativity and design.